You want to learn how you can draw on your screen like this? I am Curious Piyush and I am taking a 3-hour live workshop from Netherlands, and I'll be teaching you these 4 skills. How you can air sketchnote. What I'm doing right now is air sketchnoting, and you will be able to make your YouTube channel videos, your courses like this, when you can show yourself and still draw on the screen. How can you use in making reels using this technique of air sketchnoting and also using your whiteboards? I'll be actually showing you my screen share on reels, how to make your reels, how you can use AI to draw for you. Yes, AIs can draw sketch notes for you. I'll show you how, and also how you can give presentations on projectors using your iPads and your projection. So you'll be giving drawing based presentation. Folks, as AI is coming so much in our life, soon we will get a blind spot, develop a blind spot for all the AI made presentations. Drawing will be the only proof of your originality. So be ready with all these techniques so that you can use drawing in your presentations in various formats. See you in the workshop. Bye bye.